Hi, Sonia here, and I just recorded a really long video a few minutes ago of me making different toners. But I wanted to come to you in this shorter video and let you know a really easy trick to make an organic toner using essential oils. So my toners and most toners or all toners are water-based, right? So I use hydrosols, which are the water byproduct when an essential oil is made. So they're very gentle, delicate, delightful, wonderful on the skin. And I tend to add essential oils as well because I'm usually going for some sort of active some sort of action that I want from that toner, whether it be vibrant aging or maybe to treat rosacea. And I'm only using a tiny amount of essential oils, but if you remember from science class, oils and waters are immiscible. They do not blend on their own. So, and you can use a couple different things to do this, solubilizers or emulsifiers. But a real quick trick to use when you're making a toner at home, and let's say you're using distilled water or rose water, some sort of hydrosol, and then adding some essential oils as well, is citric acid. Just a little bit of citric acid. It does give it kind of a lemony scent, I'm noticing, but this is one way to at least get your essential oils to distribute evenly throughout the hydrosol or the water, so that you can know that you're going to get active ingredients in your toner every single time. Another ingredient I have learned to use, I'm starting to use, is aloe vera gel, which has other great moisturizing properties, right? So there's all sorts of combinations that you can do with these ingredients: hydrosols, essential oils, aloe vera. I have green tea extract, and I'm telling you all this because I have a workshop coming up next week, and I'm going to boost this post, and it is going to be March 28th, Wednesday, and we're going to make organic toners. It's $25 per person. You can call me to schedule your participation at 414-3663. That's my number. I'm Sonia, and so come check it out, and I'll be doing weekly workshops here as well where you will make and take your product. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and let's make toners. All right, take care.